Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. I hope that you people are doing well. If you know any topic or you're expert in any subject and you are a teacher as well or you can teach as well, a brilliant method through which you can earn some passive income or you can call it a side hustle is to create your online courses. Or your online course. It can be a single course as well. Because if you see around the world, through online courses, you can generate a good amount of money as a side income for yourself. This is Dr. Jan. I'm an associate professor of marketing with over 15 years of experience and have created numerous courses on platforms, even my own personal platform with more than 15 courses. More than 25,000 students have enrolled in my courses from around the globe, all of them leaving 4+ stars review and remarkable reviews. In this course that I have created for you, I'm going to take you step by step how to create an online course, specifically for platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, or even your own platform. I'm going to teach you how to create an impressive course, and I will take you step by step on how to create an ID for yourself on Udemy, then how to draft a course, because it's a long process, and the course in this particular mini course that I've created is specifically on how to create a course, but it will not cover recording videos or editing part. It will be only creating a course. Video recording and editing, perhaps it could be another course for you people. So in this course I'm going to teach you how to start creating a course from the first step of creating an ID, then drafting a course or creating a course outlines, then the way that you put forward the landing page, and then the other pages. So this course will help you start your own courses, and as you go along and gain some experience, you'll be able to do the process even faster. And once you have a number of courses, you'll be able to start earning from those courses as well. I will teach you how to make your course live and then how to create a course which is a paid course. So stay with me in all these lectures, and I hope that you will enjoy, and I hope that it will benefit you in a way that you will be able to create courses for platform like Udemy and your own platform if any, and then eventually it will help you generate some passive income. Take care of yourself and see you inside.